Well, good evening, everybody. I've just come back on to show you the end result of our little prayer journal. Well, it's not little, it's quite big actually. And it's Bella here from Bella's Crafty Studio. So here she is. I hope you'll like her. And I managed to finish the binding, and I'll get into that in a moment. So there she is in all her glory. And I even managed to get in the two cards that I was going to put on the front, so they're all, everything is inside there now. So I put this lovely little ribbon on there to keep it closed. Not quite a gator mouth, but bordering on one. And I think it's worked really well. So I don't know what you think, but anyway, let's have a look inside. So that's the piece of ribbon that will go on there. I have all seen the cover many times, but this is the actual. Just want to straighten that there. That's better. Anyway, let's go through it, and you can see what I've done. So I've done lots of flip throughs. So what I managed to do, I managed to off camera, the second one, it went in no problem at all. And I undid the other one. I've tightened it up so they're all in securely now. And looking good. I just want to check everything is in the camera. I'll just move it over there slightly, and then away we will go. So this is the front, stitching all the way around, and we've got beautiful netting on the top, the lace, and on the back there's a pocket here. Let me just use this a moment and you can see. So there's a pocket there. There's a pocket here, and that does actually come out. I think I need to put a little bit more glue on there, so I'll do that afterwards. There's a cluster at the top here that's stitched on, and that's the pocket we made on camera. That's that. I'm going to go through quickly because you've seen most of it, hopefully. That's one of the pages that we made, and I did finally decide to put that in there because I thought it went nicely with the pink rose. So that is beautiful, isn't it? So that's the Madonna on there, and I thought that went nicely with the pink on there. And that's our fabric page, Fabric of Assisi, not Fabric of Assisi, Francis of Assisi, St. Francis of Assisi in there. Beautiful papers from Rachel Bella Crafts. These beautiful, not those, this one. They're all from Rachel Bella Crafts, her new kit called Nana's Roses. Okay, that's that. That's the flip I showed you earlier. And it goes up like that, and there's a little prayer card underneath. And you can also write on there if you had to. I showed you that one. What I was thinking there, what could be a good idea, if you made that into an envelope, if we just trimmed that off a bit, and it could be made into an envelope, and all the stuff inside then will be hidden. So that's a thought for whoever has this. There's another one. Hope I'm on camera. There we go. That one, you've seen that with the scripture. Lovely readings there of daily readings in the life of Christ. And this one. And that's gorgeous, I love that. And that's lace on there. I don't know whether you can tell. I thought it went well with the colour down there. Okay. So there we go. So that's the first signature. This is the second. Fabric page there. Beautiful little girl there. More of Rachel's papers. Scripture on there, and I've stitched around here. Just a little card in there. That one is actually stuck down, and it's got a scripture on the top of that one. Which are cute. And that one's got a lovely little prayer card on it. That's a fabric page. It's thickened up now with all this on there, so that's a nice page, that. Prayer card on there. And some lace poking over the top, like so. Two little corners, pockets from Rachel's kit. And again, I would say, because I was playing with the idea, but I thought I'd leave it to whoever, make that into an envelope. You've seen that one. It's got scriptures on, and scriptures on the top of the lace here as well. That's a fabric page. That's one of the first ones that I made. I think she came together very nicely after all the mishaps. That's fabric there. I forgot to say the first time, but that is on fabric that I printed on my printer. That's got gold. I don't know whether I lifted it up to the camera for you to see, but it has got gold thread on that. On the coin envelope. And there's the last page. And this I decided to put on the back page because we had that beautiful pocket on there, if you remember. So that fits in there rather lovely. So there we go. She's all done and dusted, and sits nicely. And she went in really well. So I was really pleased in the end. It was a bit of a trial on camera, but we got there in the end. That's what I said, perseverance, always perseverance. And that's what she looks like at the front. Thank you for staying with me throughout this journal, and I will be back soon. And I'll be putting this on my Etsy, in my Etsy shop tonight, and then she'll be up for sale for anyone who is interested. So thank you for staying with us, and I will speak to you soon. Bye for now.